as a team, we show a lot of character. We have done for a few years now. We didn't doubt it after the game. It was a tough game the other day, but in a way, it worked for us because we learned a lot of things from Spain from that game. We tried something new with the formation, a little bit new, under this manager. People got more caps and more minutes on the pitch, so that's fine. It was just about reacting in the right way, and this was the important game for us, really. So, we're pleased with that. And as you said, the free kick, magnificent free kick from Hage.
I don't think we deserved it. I think it was a hard one to take, obviously, but it's a free kick from the lad, and it sort of punched us a little bit, and we've obviously gone for it and left ourselves a bit open, and they could have punished us, but they didn't, so we kept fighting until the end, but nothing that we looked for.
Didn't perform that well out in Denmark, obviously the 2-0 defeat, but they're coming to Cardiff City Stadium now. I mean, how important was this tonight in terms of going into that one with confidence?
Yeah, like I say, we spoke before the game that if we win tonight, and it puts us in a really good position in the group. The game away to Denmark was difficult, not just for their quality, but having to play 2 games in such a short space of time. So we've got the advantage of playing them on a Friday being the first game, and now we've played them, hopefully it'll be a little easier when we play them at home.
Should be a terrific atmosphere for that game on the Friday night. I mean, the stadium, Cardiff City Stadium, back there should be fun.
Yeah, we've had some really good games there. Certainly while I've been playing for Wales, and the atmosphere is the main factor in that. I think tonight's proved that the competition's working. It was a really good atmosphere, and you see what the result meant to us at the end of the game.
What a free kick from Harry Wilson, and we've seen him do it before for Derby this season.
Yeah, when he had the ball, we were all confident, and we've seen him do it day in, day out on the training pitch, so it was no surprise when I saw it on the back of the net.
Have you been like that with Gareth in the training, sort of having I
think when he's there, we all just stand back and watch him take him. He's that good. But there's a few of us after every session, just get a few balls and hit them.
Personally, having a very good season, catching the eye and getting some headlines. Is that going to help you with not just Derby this season, but in the future getting back to Liverpool?
Yeah, I think it's always important to be playing week in, week out, because you get into a rhythm, you feel fit, you feel strong, and that's me at the minute. So hopefully it'll stand me in good stead when I go back to Liverpool.
Yeah, it's like I say, I got a tough one. I got Everton on Sunday away, so yeah, it's difficult, but it's always nice to finish on a clean sheet, and so we look forward now to playing Denmark.
I kind of thought that the pressure of playing at a big club like FC Twente would do me good, and kind of made me realise how different countries play different styles of football. So I think it's only helping me, and obviously I keep getting in the Welsh squad. So at the moment it's going really well. I'm really enjoying it.
You could have had one as well, couldn't you?
Yeah, I'm still not sure how I missed it. Still waiting for that first international goal, but hopefully it'll come.
Did he give you a bit of an ear bashing at half time then? You said he wasn't happy with it.
Not quite an ear bashing, but it just reminded us of how good we are with the ball, and without it winning it back. And he didn't feel we did either of those two to our potential, but he was delighted with the performance first and foremost in the second half, and the result equal.
19, I think, you're 24. It's a great blend now, isn't it, with the youth and the experience as well.
Yeah, I feel old myself now, but no, it's a great group of lads in there, and it just shows the youngsters coming through is a special thing for Wales.
Like I said, we're looking forward to this game now. Hopefully everyone can get back to their clubs fitting well, and saying we'll meet up with Denmark and everyone's fitting well on that.
It's a game that, as I say, we wanted to be in this position. The crowd will obviously be brilliant, as they always are, and we thank them for that, and we ask them to keep doing that, because that helps us so much even tonight. We're never singing the anthem. We'll have to play good. We know that will be a different game than it was tonight, but something's a different test or a different challenge that will be a